Techno. Techno Spark 10C. Techno KI5K. Pattern, password, fingerprint, country lock, Techno ID. Remove very easy. First, power. Then, after 3 seconds, volume down. Press. First power up. Then volume down button. Then release power key. And press just volume down key. And wait. Okay. Then volume down. Selected web data and factory reset. Then factory reset. Data formatted. Then reboot the device. Techno Spark 10C. Unlock very easy. IDM unlock, pattern and password remove. Techno mobile. This mobile is Techno Spark 10C. Spark KI5K. Then select language. Then next. Next, escape. Next. More, agree, accept, escape, and then okay. Okay. Techno KI5K Spark 10C. Pattern, password, fingerprint, and country lock.